You know, I never mix in water. Hello everyone, my name is Edison. This is sugar, this is salt, this is oil. This is water, this is glass. This is glass, this is water. I fill with the water. Now I add 1 spoon sugar. See, sugar mixing water. This is now I take a glass. This is salt. I take water. I am taking water. Add salt. Add salt. You see mixing water. Salt mixing water. This is oil. Take one glass. Add water and oil. See, it's floating. I never